rainbow blanket. How I did it on the knitting technique, because I used to do shawl with the needle. So now I said, why not to try blanket? So we start from chain, then we do another chain, and we do 2 chain. You see, that's our start. We have 2 chain, then we do 1 chain, then we go and do increase on the middle to have 3 chain. Okay, then you have 3 chain. This will be called, see, your corner. So this is blanket will go from corner to corner. First I do this, and I will be increase every other row, because I increase on the middle. I will not increase anymore now, but from this side I will increase between these stitches. 1, 2, increase this and increase, and again like this. So we're gonna changing color, and I will not cut this because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not, so I'm gonna leave this alone. We'll attach yarn, which one I have available temporary with the knot, and continue chain. Then it was increase, right? So we just do it without increases, and the blanket will grow. You see, the blanket will grow. This, and then again increase. So one row increase, another without. And this you go until you need reach your size of the blanket. What do you mean size of the blanket? This gonna be your size if we stop now, because later we have to do this. In crochet it's called C2C. So if I still doing this was not was increase, and I forgot to do it increase. You see, no, I did it. I did increase. This was increase, and like this, skip increase. I will do small just to show technique, not whole big blanket. Okay, so now we have this, right? So any corner that will be your length of the blanket, this or this. When you need to finish this blanket, for example, you're doing changing color, doing making, and now you decide, okay, I'm done, I don't have yarn or too long. You start decreasing. Okay, that's gonna be decrease, and you go the other side, and now you're gonna be decrease this side. It's tedious job. You have to be on the look all the time make sure you increase and decrease. So I decrease every row but by one stitch. You see, I don't decrease both sides. Now I do like this and then I decrease. Then you have like this, the row, decreasing row. Okay, decrease, and here not decrease, and now decrease, and this was not decrease, and this decrease. So that's the idea. You see, you have the square, you have the square. So what you're gonna do, how much you need long. If you have a still question, I will answer to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.